Good day to you all. Today, we would like to present to you our research study with the title The Making of Object Recognition Glasses for the Visually Impaired Using ImageAI.
In a nutshell, this study aims to create an object recognition glasses using ImageAI that can be used by the visually impaired people in order to help them navigate their day-to-day lives with other challenges and hardships that they may face by receiving an object input that tells the name of the object or objects in front of them.
For this study, the independent variable is ImageAI, which is the specific Python library that is used in the study to make object recognition possible. Our dependent variable is our object recognition classes itself.
Here are the research questions that we aim to answer as we did our study. First, how accurate is the object recognition glasses in recognizing different objects? Second, what is the maximum distance the object recognition glasses can recognize an object in meters? How long is the time interval of the object recognition glasses between seeing the object and recognizing the object in seconds? And fourth, how long is the time interval of the object recognition glasses between recognizing the object and playing the sound of the name of the object?
So how did we get it to work? First, we installed ImageAI, which is responsible for the program's identification of the object. Then, we installed the text-to-speech feature, in which the program speaks the object's name upon recognition. Then, we plugged the ESP32 camera to the ESP programmer. We programmed it using Arduino IDE and made it wireless using the final circuit. Finally, we connected it to the glass frame, finishing the product.
Here is the schematic diagram and the circuit diagram. For the schematic diagram, you can see the ESP32 camera, which is placed on the middle of the glasses on top of where the nose bridge is on. It is facing outward so that the camera sees what the person is facing. The camera is also connected to the switch that turns the circuit on and off, and it is also connected to the charging board, which charges the battery. The circuit diagram, on the other hand, shows the circuit in a much more clear detail.
This part contains the results and interpretation of data gathered by the researchers during the testing of the product.
To get started, Table 1 shows the accuracy of the object recognition glasses in identifying different objects. Each trial comprises 5 sample objects in various steps and colors: bottles, potted plants, cups, bicycles, and keyboards. The object recognition glasses accurately perceive all the sample objects, which resulted in all of the samples being marked as yes, and a high percentage of success rate.
Table 2 shows the maximum distance at which the object recognition glasses can recognize an object in meters. It was tested with the measuring tape, which measures distances ranging from 10 meters to 45 meters, and it obtained clear findings in identifying the individual in front of the glasses.
Table 3 shows the time duration from seeing to recognizing the object using a stopwatch. In the first trial, the camera recognizes a pair of scissors with a delay of 1.83 seconds. 1.58 seconds for the second trial, and lastly, the third trial was recognized for 1.41 seconds with an overall average of 1.61 seconds.
Table 4 shows the 3 different trials in obtaining the time interval from recognizing the object to playing the sound of the name of the object using a stopwatch. 3 trials were conducted for the credibility of the data, and the average was taken by dividing the summation of all values by 3. In the first trial, it took 0.66 seconds. In the second, it took 0.68 seconds, and in the third, it took 0.56 seconds.
In conclusion, after compiling different results, the object recognition glasses can detect various objects effectively, showed great clarity in identifying, and speed and swiftness in the time interval of recognizing objects and playing the object's name.
For future researchers, we recommend integrating more detectors, expanding the distance of the object recognition glasses can cover, utilizing a phone instead of a laptop, having a stronger Wi-Fi connection, and lastly, recognizing more objects.
That is all, and thank you for listening to our presentation.